Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to insert a page border in Microsoft Word. Page borders are commonly used for certificates, assignments, and formal documents. Let's begin. First, open your Word document. Now go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. Look for the Page Borders option and click it. The Borders and Shading window will appear. Select the Page Border tab. From the Settings section of the left side, select Box. You can select a box border, shadow border, or custom style. You can also choose the border color, width, and design pattern. Select border color from the drop-down list. Now select style and width of the border. Here you can choose different border styles. Choose whether you want to apply this border to whole document or just first page or section. Once you select the style you like, click OK. The border will now appear around your page. You can also use some art images as your page border. Again, click on the page border from the ribbon. This time select Art. From the drop-down list, select your favorite border art. Now click OK. If you want to decrease or increase the margins of the border, go to Page Border tab and click on Options button. Now you can increase the top, bottom, left or right margin. And that's how you insert a page border in Microsoft Word.